Welcome back, Class 1, in the second session of EVS. Chapter 6, National Festivals. Children, do you know why our flag is saffron, white, and green? Saffron stands for strength and courage. White stands for simplicity, purity, and peace. And green stands for agriculture and prosperity. The navy blue wheel in the center is the Ashok Chakra, the wheel of progress. Republic Day, our most important national festival. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. The Republic Day parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India makes a salute at the parade. People from different states of India also participate in the parade. परेड में तरह तरह की झांकियाँ भी शामिल होती है। कैमल्स, एलिफेंट्स, डॉग्स तरह तरह से प्रदर्शन करते हैं। India became a republic on this day in 1950. It is the day when India's constitution came into force. Constitution means Samvidhan. The parade includes a march past by the Army, Navy, and Air Force, performances by troops of school children, and floats representing the different states of India. आर्मी, नेवी और एयरफोर्स अलग अलग तरह से परफॉर्मेंसेस प्रेजेंट करते हैं। काफ़ी स्टेट से चिल्ड्रन आते हैं और अलग अलग ग्रुप्स आते हैं जो कि अपनी परफॉर्मेंसेस वहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अपनी स्टेट को। द परेड एंड्स विद अ कलरफुल फ्लाई पास्ट by Air Force jets in a Tiranga formation. Children, have you learned the words of national anthem of our country? You should learn and sing. We should stand straight when we hear or sing our national anthem. Children, look at this picture and try to learn our national anthem. Children, have you ever heard Vande Mataram? This is our national song. Look at this picture and try to learn our national song. Children, which national festival do we celebrate on 2nd October? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Very good. Gandhi ji is known as the father of the nation. गांधी जी बापू के नाम से भी प्रसिद्ध है। महात्मा गांधी's birthday 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi ji played an important role in India's freedom struggle. गांधी जी ने बहुत सारा संघर्ष किया। गांधी जी ने अहमदाबाद के पास साबरमती आश्रम से गांधी गांव तक 24 दिनों का पैदल मार्च निकाला था। दांडी मार्च या नमक मार्च भी उसे कहते हैं। Now children, we will do exercise to check what we have learnt. Which national festival do we celebrate on 26th January? Yes, Republic Day, isn't it? Which national festival do we celebrate on 2nd October? Yes, गांधी जयंती, गांधी जी का बर्थडे, जिन्हें हम बापू भी कहते हैं। Write the first line of our national anthem. Think about it. Yes, Jan Gan Man. Now children, this is your home assignment. Write national anthem in your notebook. Okay children, we will meet in next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.